What I eat in a day, day 9, and as per usual, starting my morning off with burning my tongue on my cappuccino because it's so freaking hot. Anyways, what do we have going on today? Oatmeal with blueberries. I studied hormones, studying the endocrine system. I went to the gym. This was my awful parking job. After the gym, I got some cottage cheese, had cottage cheese for lunch. So freaking delicious, you guys. You have no idea. After that, I had dinner. Well, I didn't have dinner right away after that, obviously. I studied some more, then I had my dinner. And you can get this recipe, by the way, on my blog, nutritionbyelsa.com, and petite little dessert